with you guys on how to create braid or twist whatsoever style you want to create on a very short fussy hair. So guys, if you want to know how to create it, just keep watching. So first, I'm going to be using two Brazilian wool, and this is how I cut it, and this is the hair I am going to this hair is make. Very short, and the style you choose it's supposed to be more scanty, more than the way I made it. But because the hair is short, you know, there are some limits. There are limits you can cut a short hair. If it's too big, then the hair will not be okay. So I decided to make it like this, but the style should be the same style but a bit scanty. So I decided to like play with the hair will start pulling out. So we not too much. We don't have to pat the hair too much, so we don't end up making bad hair for our friends or for our customers. So that's what happened in her case. So I just like I started it with little braid, and at the end of the day, at the end of the hair, I twisted it, and you know, then the tip of the hair I rolled it. So guys, just stay tuned and see how we create this hair. So this is how the size we're gonna be doing. I'm using 12 strands of Brazilian wool, and the length is optional. So just if you just know how to create the style, just like choose the length that you want. All right, so what I did is I packed this hair this way, and in case I'm making this kind of hairstyle and the person wants maybe, for example, a shorter one, so by the time you finish the hair and you are rolling it, you can just like roll it to this to the size or to the. So this is how I made the hair, and it's very simple though, but short hair, you know, it's short hair had to like, my hand was kind of hurting me because I had to like pinch the hair very well, hold the hair, grip, like, you know, you have to grip it very well so the way the hair will not pull off. And I'm glad I made it. So guys, I decided to just share it with you guys. So if this is the first time of coming across my video, thank you so much for stopping by, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. So in this our channel, what we do here is all about hair. We make hair, weave on everything, anything that has to do with hair. So but most especially, I make my kids hair, different hairstyle. I also style my hair myself. So to our returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. We do appreciate your support, and we ask that you keep supporting us. Help us to share our video, like and comment. It really go a long way. Like, it to really help us a lot by helping us to share, comment, and give us a thumbs up. The same way and the same cutting I started the hair, this is how I'm going to finish it. Like, I cut it, I will just pat the hair around first before I start patting it square the way I'll be holding it. So this is how I finish the hair.
Forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. To start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. You're gone, you're gone. You're not lost, you're not lost. You're gone, you're gone. You're not lost, you're not lost.
So now that I'm done with this, it is the time for me to start rolling it. So this is how I'm going to continue it until it's done. Then when I finish with this part, I'm going to put water, then we are good to go. It's so simple as that, but the hair is beautiful. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah.
They said, don't fall. Don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run. Don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where